People per hour freelance work honest review watch before using. Most people think freelancing online is simple, but platforms like People per Hour offer a structured way to find clients, and there's a lot you need to know before you start. People per Hour connects freelancers with clients looking for services in writing, design, marketing, and more. One standout feature is its hourly system, where freelancers can sell pre-packaged services at fixed prices. This makes it easier for clients to quickly hire you without negotiating. Most people get this wrong. They assume you can just list a service and get instant work. The surprising truth is that building a profile with strong reviews, completing skill tests, and actively pitching for jobs significantly increases your chances of landing contracts. Another advantage is payment protection. People per Hour holds client funds in escrow until the work is approved, reducing the risk of unpaid projects. The platform also provides analytics to track earnings, proposals, and client feedback. However, there are considerations. Platform fees range from 5% to 15% depending on your earnings, so factor that into pricing. Competition can be high, especially for common freelance services, and new freelancers may need time to build a reputation. In conclusion, People per Hour is a solid choice for freelancers looking to find structured work and build credibility. Focus on creating a detailed profile, delivering high-quality work, and leveraging the hourly system to attract clients consistently. Subscribe for more honest freelance platform reviews before committing to your next gig.